Wait, one second.
Yo, I'm making a video, so
Don't talk.
you can talk. You can even sing if you want, but
You're just gonna edit it out.
sure. Yeah. All right, hello everybody. Hello. So instead of making like a complicated setup with the stupid lac table that I have and all that jazz, I decided why the fuck do that? Because I need this fucking computer like ASAP. So we're just gonna unbox it right here. So this is the packaging that came from Apple. I don't really give a fuck anymore. Let's get this shit out the door. I haven't had a new computer for quite some time. Wow. Look, new computer. Ooh. Open this shit. Use my Swiss Army knife. I don't know. I have one of these for work. They look exactly the same. Does this come with that long ass cable anymore? Oh, it does not? Are you kidding me right now? Designed by Apple and Cali. You know what? I want to work for them one day. Ooh. That never gets old. Never ever gets old. I always switch this up. What's that? Oh, that's the reflection. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. Turned on. Very nice. That's the what you see here? That's my blanket. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching. More content soon.